So, how do your previous visa denials affect your upcoming visa interview and visa application? Well, guess what? My name is Mandy. I'm a former visa officer. I've interviewed over 100,000 visa applicants during my time with the State Department at the US embassies and consulates in China, Mexico, Hong Kong. I have a lot of experience in this area, and today we're going to talk about how prior visa denials are going to affect future visa interviews and what can you do about it. So the first thing to know is that it's actually quite common for visas to be denied. So if you're already in this situation, don't fret. Don't be nervous, don't stress out about it, because this is actually quite common. In fact, in fiscal year 2018, over 3.7 million visas were denied at US embassies and consulates around the world. And oftentimes, your visa officer is not going to give you a reason why your visa was denied because visa officers are so busy. They have to interview over 150 visa applicants a day. They're not going to have the time to go into your case and explain to you why you're denied. What they will say, however, is, hey, you can always apply again for non-immigrant visas, and that is true. However, it's important to know that once you have a visa denial, that will stay on your visa record forever. Okay, so every time you go into a US embassy or consulate for a visa interview, there will be a record of all of the times that you have gone in, been denied a visa. And so if you've had 5 visa denials, for example, and you go in for your 6th interview, at your visa interview, that visa officer is going to look into the computer and see, oh, well, this person was already denied 5 times and has already been determined by 5 of my colleagues that he or she does not qualify for a visa to go to the United States. And that is a big uphill battle to conquer and get over and to get your visa approved. It's not impossible, because as a visa officer, I remember when there were times where visa applicants would come to my window and they had been denied 7 or 8 times, and maybe I was extra patient that day. Maybe, they were able to finally prepare the right way, but finally I would get them that visa approval, and they were so excited. And so if you're someone that has had multiple visa denials, this is something that we can help you with. Don't feel like you have to do it alone. We have a whole team of ex-visa officers and visa experts who can help you with this very daunting and very high stakes process. So that's number 1, is that your visa records will stay forever. Any visa denials will be on there forever. So you don't really want to, just go into your visa interview and wing it and hope that you'll figure it out, especially if you've already had a visa denial. If you've had a visa denial already, you need expert help. And that is exactly what we do at Argo Visa. We're a team of former visa officers. We, for years of our life, thought about visas all the time, thought about who to approve, who to deny, and we know what strategies work and don't work. When we do a mock interview with you at an Argo consultation, we are thinking about it from the perspective of a visa officer. Will that work? Will I be convinced by that? Do I like this person? Do I want to help them? Do I believe that they will return from the United States? Are they, qualified? These are all questions that are running through the visa officer's mind, and this is what we help you with during the Argo consultation. I will say that when I do Argo consultations with clients, the first mock interview that we do is always terrible, and I always tell the clients, absolutely not. Do not answer your question like that. That's going to be very confusing. You're offering all of this information that's not really necessary. And then we work on it and we develop a strategy, and we really do want to help you succeed, because we believe in qualified visa applicants traveling to the United States, achieving their American dream, whether it's through work or studies, or even permanently relocating to the United States. This is all something that we can help you with, and we have a lot of experience doing. Because guess what? You can practice by yourself all day long, but you will not know whether or not it's good enough, and everybody's situation is a little bit different. So I hope this video was helpful for you. You can always look up other videos that we've made on our social media channels, on YouTube, on TikTok. and we really are excited to help you. And for more information about how to book a consultation, visit argovisa.com, and we look forward to seeing you on the other side of the Argo consultation so we can help you prepare for this very high stakes interview. Thank you.